In this video, you will learn how to handle the capillary tube to minimize pre-analytical errors. Make sure to have all necessary tools ready for capillary tube sampling. Make sure you are wearing gloves. Prior to taking the sample, loosely put an end cap on one end of the capillary tube. Put a mixing wire into the capillary tube and let it slide to the same end as the end cap. Fill the capillary tube to maximum filling volume, leaving no air at one end of the tube. Immediately after you have filled your capillary tube, put the second end cap on and ensure both end caps are secured tightly. After blood collection, carefully mix the sample by gently inverting the capillary tube 20 times to mix the blood and the heparin to minimize clots. As an alternative, you can use a magnet to make sure that the mixing wire moves from one end cap to the other a minimum of 20 times. Ensure you have the correct patient information with you for analysis at the analyzer. Always follow your hospital's procedure on patient identification. Analyze the sample immediately or stored at room temperature and measure the sample within 10 minutes. Repeat the mixing procedure prior to analysis. You have now seen how to use a capillary tube.